Tonight, you might look up at the sky and feel it. That quiet hope that somewhere out there, something is looking back. You're not alone. Nearly every human who has ever lived has asked the same question. Are we alone? The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It contains roughly 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, and around those stars orbit countless planets. By sheer probability, intelligent life should be everywhere. So, where is everybody? That question became known as the Fermi Paradox. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question during lunch with colleagues. If the universe is so vast and so old, where are the aliens? Nobody had an answer. They still don't. And that's what makes this so disturbing. Even with relatively slow spacecraft, a sufficiently advanced civilization could spread across the Milky Way in a few million years. That sounds like a long time, until you remember the galaxy is over 10 billion years old. There has been more than enough time for someone to reach every corner of it, including Earth. Yet the sky remains silent. No signals, no visitors, no evidence, nothing. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created the Drake equation to estimate how many civilizations might exist in our galaxy. Depending on the numbers used, the answer can range from thousands to millions. Yet despite decades of searching, we have found absolutely nothing. Why? Some scientists believe civilizations are hiding. This idea is known as the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter. If you reveal your location, you risk being destroyed by someone stronger. In that scenario, silence isn't mysterious, it's survival. Broadcasting our presence into space would be like shouting in a forest filled with unknown predators. You may hear nothing back, but something might hear you. Others suggest advanced civilizations simply stop using technologies we can detect. Maybe they're communicating in ways far beyond our understanding. Or maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare. This is the rare Earth hypothesis. Perhaps complex life requires such an unlikely combination of conditions that it has happened only once, on Earth. If that's true, the silence makes sense. But there is another explanation, one that many scientists find deeply unsettling. It's called the Great Filter. The idea is simple. Somewhere between lifeless matter and a galaxy-spanning civilization lies an obstacle so difficult that almost nobody gets past it. A filter. The terrifying question is whether that filter is behind us or ahead of us. If it's behind us, then humanity got lucky. Maybe the hardest step was the origin of life itself, or the evolution of complex cells, intelligence, language, or civilization. Maybe we already survived the impossible. But if the filter is ahead of us, the implications are far darker. It would mean civilizations routinely reach our level of advancement and then disappear. Perhaps they create technologies they can't control. Perhaps they destroy their environment. Perhaps they wage wars powerful enough to erase themselves. Whatever the cause, they never make it to the stars. And neither will we. This possibility leads to an unsettling thought. Many researchers have pointed out that discovering simple life elsewhere in our solar system might actually be bad news. Not because microbes are dangerous, but because it would prove life emerges easily. And if life is common, yet intelligent civilizations are nowhere to be found, then something must be eliminating them. Something powerful enough to silence an entire galaxy. Maybe the universe is empty. Maybe we are truly alone. Or maybe countless civilizations once looked up at their own skies, wondering the same thing we do today, right before they vanished. Either way, when you look into the night sky, remember this: the universe is unimaginably vast. It should be overflowing with life. Yet, after decades of searching, we have found only silence. And sometimes, silence is the most frightening answer of all.